Trade is always significant in the beef business, but this season of the cattle cycle puts an exclamation point on that fact.
If we think about the cattle side, just from a cattle cycle nature, we've expanded the beef cow herd by over 2 million head over the last 2 years, which means we've got bigger supplies for at least the next 2 to 3 years to work through. And of course, pork and poultry supplies are up as well. They're profitable with the lower input cost. So you roll that all together, we've got more protein to consume not only domestically, but hopefully that trade number will continue to grow so we can export more as well.
Good also says resuming beef trade with China gives us strong headwinds.
Well, as we think about the global protein supply is growing slowly, 1 to 2% a year, that's kind of offsetting, plus a little bit the population growth. As we think about the spots around the globe that produce protein the most cheaply, it's the U.S. as well as South America. So from a long-term perspective, in a lot of the proteins, that's where our competition will come from.
The key advantage the U.S. has over other exporters continues to be the kind of beef product America's cattlemen deliver.
Well, as we think about quality is a big part of that. The U.S. product is a gold standard. Choice and above in particular is a gold standard from the U.S. In the global market. In addition to that, if we came back and looked at the domestic demand, we can really see this year in particular, that choice grade was up 1% in 2016. It's right at 70%. Prime grade was up at 5.6% compared to 5.1% the year prior. Despite that, producing more choice and prime product, the choice select spread was wider in 16 by $3.15, and the premium product spreads are widening out as well, which tells us that the consumer has the taste and preference for top 2/3 choice and above product.
Those market signals point to more open doors for the best beef. I'm Bob Cervera.